do want to go back because there's an interesting piece about, you made a comment about redfish and replacing IPMI. And there is this idea that if we have a standard protocol that we're going to solve the management problem. And the funny thing is there's a lot of necessary heterogeneity in data centers. I think this is what the mistake people make. They come in and they're like, I'm going to take this sea of all these different protocols and I'm going to create one protocol to unify them. And now we're just going to have one way to do things, which is really, you have all the old ways plus the new way.
That's right.
It's a reality. Redfish is not consistent or repeatable across vendors. And people are like, but it's supposed to be. And it's like, well, it's worth remembering that the heterogeneity in infrastructure exists for a reason. It adds value for it to not all be consistent, right? Some of that is innovation. New things come up and changes. Some of it is you need to have different ways to do different things in infrastructure. It's just normal. It would be like trying to tell somebody that every plug had to be the same or every USB port had to be the same. Even if, as we want standards, there's still reason for variation. And I think that's one of the things that doing what we do, you have to embrace the fact that it's a heterogeneous environment, and it should be a heterogeneous environment. As soon as you get into only one way to do things, you end up with where we are with the VMware debacle, where everybody's panicking because the one vendor, the one way suddenly became less attractive. So heterogeneity is valuable.
As a Frenchman by origin, vive la différence. This is what we should celebrate.